All right, we got the 2007 Honda Civic came in last night. Got a big dent in the hood. I need a windshield, headlight, front bumper cover, fender. The mirror was knocked off. So we're gonna go ahead and break this down later on today. All right, let's get this bumper popped off. Let's get this fender off, and let's get this light off. Bolt here in the front, two here. All the clips is already off the bottom of this bumper, so this bumper gonna come off now. Actually, the clips at the bottom wasn't even in there. So whoever fixed this car before didn't even put it all together. So let's see what we need to get this off. 10mm on the top for this light. Alright, we got the bolts out of the fender. So let's go ahead and see if it'll come off. Alright, the fender is ready to come off. So I got the wheel well holding it down at the bottom. So let me go ahead and pop them off, then the fender will come right off. Alright, we got the fender off. Let's go ahead and see what it takes to get the rest of this light out. Alright, got everything off, light, bumper, the fender is off. So let's go ahead and set this one up. Alright, we got the fender on. So now what we gotta do, we gotta get this bracket. The bracket is bent. So we needed these two holes in this bracket to match these two holes in the fender. So get that taken care of. And that way that can work. We got the mirror on, so I can pre-test the bumper. I know the bumper will fit. The only thing holding this job up is the headlight that I'm waiting on. We put the windshield in this morning, put the mirror on, the fenders on. The job just came in Friday. Got the parts Friday afternoon, so I decided to work on it today. Just about got it together. Alright, we're about to go ahead and pull the Honda Civic in so we can get this painted. Let's go ahead and get it dried off. Get all the water off. All right, this is what we about to do today. This car leaving tomorrow. I know I had started on a few days ago, but I couldn't get it in the shop because it rained. And then I had, 4 or 5 other cars in front of this car to do. But now we finally got it in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and put those new headlights in. We're gonna put this new bumper on. We're gonna get all this put on today. The fender is already on, the mirror is already on, the windshield is already in. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get these parts on, get this thing sanded, and get it painted tonight. All right, we got the Honda Civic done. The dent in the hood is fixed. Fender on, light on, bumper on.